Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic and Best Car Fixes. Today we have 2011 BMW 535 or 528 Xi. Our problem here is that the car have a headlight problem. We ordered the headlight and for some reason they don't work. We have to turn it back, but I just want to show you what is there and what it is. First of all, those headlight, they call it headlight, what's the name of it? They call it adaptive headlight. The adaptive headlight is kind of headlight that when you are driving and you want to turn the steering column to left or right, the headlight inside, it has a motor. The motor, it will turn left and right with you for safety and clearance of the street while you're driving to see clear. Okay, the headlight, when you buy it from the dealer, this headlight costs almost about $3,000 for one unit, about with the component. It's coming empty or it's coming in couple of parts. Here, the box, we just bought one, or you bought two. This one here, it has the headlights, it have the component. Here it's the headlight that is coming. It will come empty, nothing inside. This is the body of it. Now in this area here, this is adaptive headlight. Here you're gonna get the signal and the parking light. And how they look like this. LED light from the back. It takes the power from a connector here. This signal, it doesn't come with it. Turn signal and parking light. You put it in here and you connect this one into it. This is one. On the top here you have the LED light and they look tiny, something like this. They are coming here, connected, and they go like this. You have two. They don't come with it. Now you have these lights. Those are light bulb, HID light. They don't come with it. And those, they come in the back here. You're gonna open this and you get it inside here. Doesn't come with it. Now we have also one thing that left. You see here, in this place, this is a computer for it. The adaptive headlight module. By itself is about $600, which is like this. It doesn't come with it. So you're gonna put this one in here too. So we have 1, 2, 3, and you have another one left. Let me show you what it is. The last one, this one here. I believe this one is mounted somewhere in this area here. After you buy this from the dealer about $2,000, you're gonna add up and buy all this stuff, which you talk about another $1,000 or $1,500. What you need to know, if you know your car and you know what you need, for example, the most thing that happen if the car go into an accident like this lane crack, brake, right away cover it and take it out and get the housing, for example. Or get a complete, my advice is to get a complete unit. What I did is after they send me everything, I put them together. Maybe the module is not belong to the car. Something happened when I put everything together, nothing is work. Nothing. So what I did is I said, you know what? I Googled it and I found this piece here. I found one headlight like this, complete from a junkyard. About from 800 to 1,200. Could be 1,000. You negotiate and how lucky you are. You can get it for 1,500, 1,600, take it. You can get it for 500. Just be sure that all the components, no corrosion, no water. Any water get into it, that means it's just like a cell phone. So this is a quick information. And this car here, the light is controlled by the footwell control module. It is on the left side kick panel. That's the one that receive information and send it and eliminate all this light for you. I'm going to send those back because finally they don't work. Even if we pay for it, it doesn't work. We have to pay another money. By the time in whole stuff, when just we finish, put them together without the return this one, we talk about almost $6,000. This is for 2003. Hold on, please. So now we are in the conclusion that I just give you this information to help. In the future, we don't want to go through all this crazy stuff like what are you going to get if a headlight, okay, I'm talking about $6,000, not if you're buying it from the dealer, but it costs us also about almost $6,000, but we're gonna return this 2 headlights back. I'm gonna cover them, that's one, and that's the other one. I'm gonna put them back, and this is, for me, I advise, if you have a problem like this for BMW's car, 2011 and up, please consult with your junkyard. Unless if you have a lot of money and insurance pay, that's a different story. Okay, so I thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see your video. This is Muhammad Idris, Haron, Brooklyn, New York.